Hello friends, hello dear listeners. You are welcome to this platform, my channel, Forex Laboratory. Here in Forex Lab, we are hatching money, not eggs. So this Forex trading program is brought to you by Forex Lab only for the purpose of relieving those people that are finding it difficult to trade in the foreign exchange markets. And also the other one, which is a synthesis. Finding it difficult to trade currency pairs or synthetics, we have provided this video for you to ease the difficulty. So let's get going and see what we have here for you. Here we have the contents and the video, which are going to be explained one by one later. The first is introduction to forex trading, terms used in forex trading, how to identify trends or market movements, how to identify support and resistance, understanding prominent candle patterns that will help in trading, then how to trade range-bound markets, that is ranging markets, and also how to trade range-bound breakouts. Mentoring is also available in advisory platform. Is going to be created for those people that are interested. They are going to be put in a group and they'll be monitored there. That is what we have for you. So let's get going and see what it is. This is introduction to foreign exchange market. As I said, the trading, and forex itself stands for foreign exchange, and it refers to the buying and selling of one currency in exchange for another. That is what is meant by forex trading. And more so, forex is the most heavily traded market in the world because people, businesses, and countries all participate in it. And it's an easy market to get into without much capital, as low as $10 account funding. For example, when you travel from one country to another and you convert your currency to US dollar, United States dollar, you have already participated in the global foreign exchange markets. That is what foreign exchange market is, forex trading. And after that, we have the tips that you need to know before you can be a trader. The foreign exchange is the market where currency pairs are traded, and currencies always trade in pairs, as you can see from the example Euro USD. And traders make positions based on the assumption of price changes. So also, currency price changes are measured in pips, which traders use to establish trade positions. Aside that, we also have some things that you need to know as a trader or as a beginner. The first one is currency pairs. We have Euro USD, and we have some others like Australian dollar, Great Britain pound, and also France CFA, Swiss franc CFA, and also Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Japanese yen. These are the major and prominent pairs that are traded by people around the globe. And under these currency pairs, before you enter your trade, it's very important you take note of the following. In the foreign exchange markets, currencies always trade in pairs. As I said earlier, when exchanged in United States dollars for euros, there are two currencies involved. So the exchange always shows the value of one currency relative to the other. An instance of this is the Euro USD. The price, for example, lets you know how many United States dollars it takes to buy 1 euro. That is from the example of currency pairs that you have Euro USD. And the markets, the foreign exchange market uses symbols to designate specific currency pairs, as can be seen on the code page of MP4, that is MetaTrader 4. And the euro is symbolized by EUR, United States dollar by USD. So the euro USD dollar pair is shown as euro USD, as you can see on the page for euro USD pair. Therefore, the other commonly traded currencies are the one that I listed there, as you can see. So that is that about currency pairs. The second one is calculating market price. How do you calculate this? Each forex pair will have a market price associated with it. The price refers to how much of the second currency, for instance, Euro USD, how much of United States dollar would you have to buy 1 unit of the first currency? So if the price of the Euro USD currency pair is 1.3635, can you see? So this means that it costs 1.3635 USD to buy 1 euro. And to find out how many euros it costs to buy 1 United States dollar, you need to flip the pair to USD euro instead of the initial euro USD. So when you do that, you divide 1 by 1.3635, which will probably give you 0.7334. That is how you calculate it. And you should have it in mind that the price of the currency pair constantly fluctuates. You should know, as transactions occur around the globe 24 hours a day during the week. That is that about calculating the price of the markets. And another one is market pricing. Learning forex trading involves getting to know a small amount of new terminology that describes the price of currency pairs. Once you understand it and how to calculate your trade profits, you are one step closer to your first currency trade. Many currency pairs move about 50 pips to 100 pips per day, sometimes more or less, depending on overall market conditions. A pip, as an acronym, is point in percentage. That is the acronym for the pip. And it is the name used to indicate the fourth decimal place in a currency pair, or the second decimal in the Japanese yen currency. When the Euro USD moves from 1.3600 to 1.3650, you'd make a 50 pip profit. That is what it is. And the profit you made on the above theoretical trade depends on how much of the currency you purchased. So if you bought 1000 units in USD, which is micro unit lots, each pip is worth $0.10. So you will calculate your profit as 50 pips multiplied by $0.10, which equals $5 for a 50 pip. You can see now. That is that. And if you bought a 10,000 units, which is mini lot, then each pip is worth $1. So your profit ends up being $50. If you bought 100,000 units called standard lots, each pip is worth $10. So your profit is $500. Therefore, in Forex, how much each pip is called pip value. That is what it is called. And that ends things to know when you are proposing to trade foreign exchange markets. Now, a question may arise that when does the foreign market open and close? The market is 24 hours throughout the week. So it opens at 5 p.m. EST Eastern Time on Sunday and closes 5 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday. This ends the video, the lesson today on what you need to know about Forex exchange trading or markets, and also things you need to know before you start trading the markets. Thank you for being there. Expect more videos to come, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be alerted on new videos to come. Bring more people, share the channel's link, share the video's link, and I'll be very, very glad to bring more fruitful videos for you to know more about trading. Thank you and remain safe.